Good morning. It's Wednesday, June 27th. In our news recently, we've been looking for signs about how the crisis in Europe is affecting the seafood industry. What we've seen lately is a lot of European companies are in trouble in terms of debt, in terms of financing. For example, just today, a major Dutch shrimp trading company, Hyplog, reported very significant losses for 2011, and in fact, just this week they took a big infusion of equity by selling stock to some investors. We've also seen Findus with a large debt struggling to strike some kind of deal, and in other areas also we've seen debts and lack of access to credit really hampering the European seafood importers for the most part. What this has done apparently at the moment is provided some benefit to the U.S. If you look at Europe and North American market from the point of view of an Asian exporter, you'll see that sales to Europe have been declining and the U.S. has become a much more attractive market. Part of this is because U.S. companies have better access to financing. Another part of it is that the dollar has been stronger than the euro in recent month or so. And so we're able to buy more seafood. So if you look at some of our major commodities like shrimp and salmon, you'll see prices slowly drifting lower. And if you look at high-end products like snow crab or halibut, yes, those prices might change later in the year, but for the moment they're still pretty strong. So all in all, the U.S. seems to be benefiting currently from the economic turmoil in Europe. On Alaskan pollock, for example, prices are expected to rise pretty significantly when the bee season prices are negotiated due to continued good demand elsewhere and a weaker euro. Now, this is not a situation that is necessarily healthy or that will continue forever. I think this fall we're going to see a lot of retrenchment in the seafood industry if the economic situation does not drastically improve. But for the moment, I'd have to say it's going to be a summer of content for most U.S. seafood sellers as we have a strong market and we're able to attract a lot of product. In Nantucket, Mass., this is John Sackton.